Welcome to our channel. If you want to discover free trial offers through cross-promotion campaigns between partnered brands, follow these step-by-step instructions to access these collaborative promotional deals. Step 1. Pay attention to announcements from brands and services you already use, as they frequently partner with complementary companies to offer free trials to their existing customer base. Step 2. Check the apps, websites, or email newsletters of services you subscribe to for promotional banners advertising partnerships with other brands that include free trial access. Step 3. Look for cross-promotion offers on social media, where partnered brands often co-promote each other's services with special trial codes available exclusively to their followers. Step 4. Visit landing pages specifically created for cross-promotion campaigns, which you can find through promotional emails, in-app notifications, or social media posts from participating brands. Step 5. Review the partnership offer details to understand what's included in the free trial, how the services complement each other, and any requirements for eligibility. Step 6. Click Claim Your Trial or Get Started on the cross-promotion landing page. You may need to verify your existing subscription to the partner brand to qualify for the offer. Step 7. Create an account with the new service or log in if you already have one. Enter any required promotional codes that should be pre-populated or provided in the cross-promotion campaign. Step 8. Complete the registration process and start using your new trial immediately. These cross-promotional trials often last longer than standard trials because they target qualified customers from partner brands. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.